That dog, man. No matter what, he always wants to play ball. Hello, Americans. And other friends, subscribers around the world. Thank you, man. Yesterday, the snow went down. It's actually snowing right now. It's slowed down a little bit. It was big old things, man. But the one thing about, see, I'm just out here in the long john top and hat. The hat's pretty much just because of my bald head, so I don't get snow wetness. But one thing about the snow, man, is it's, if you're not, if you're down in Florida or somewhere you don't understand it, but it actually warms up to snow. Like this morning, Muskrat sent me a deal, and I think he said it was 21 degrees or something there, and it's right at freezing or a little above freezing here, and it's just not too dang cold, so it's kind of nice because it warms up to snow is what I was getting at. But so I don't know, I haven't looked at the weather before, not that they know anything about anything, so we shall see what today brings, man. Well, crap. I guess I'm going to have to use the, what you want? Want some food? I need some water. My throat. There you go. I need some food too. I got these two little roosters. I give some food up here because the hens kick their butts. I'll put that little food up there. Rooster Easter mean to the hens. Holy moly. So now I need to take this from a storage unit to so you got the bed back here. We'll have a TV in here. Lord have mercy. Lordy, lordy. Let me see. So, Miss Kitty thinks, because that's a click-clack bed, so Miss Kitty thinks that we should like tarp off the front there, or plastic the front off, and clear this, and then this car will have there's a table and two chairs right there, so then she'll have a place to sit versus the bed. I gotta fix all this, but there was a leak, and I think I pretty much got the leak all taken care of. I need to do that ceiling back up, button it back up, so it shouldn't leak on my stuff. So it's a lot easier if you just do what the wife says. Makes life a little bit simpler, easier. And then all that stack right there, there's I can't even begin to tell you. There's some high dollar pictures and prints, and then there's the one that, that's the Washington, just ain't natural. Oh man, that's I've showed that. That's one that I had a topwater frame. We got what's that? There's a Sharps rifle thing, man. There's some cool old painting. And I have 1, 2. It. Where the heck's that? Well, that one's an old Idaho picture. I don't know if you can really see it on this, but see that sturgeon across the Model T? Was taken in Idaho, man. An Idaho picture. That's a rare print there too. But we got bags of rolled oats and okay, dude. Holy crap, man! This place is just packed full of crap. So we'll get some lights in here and probably some heat. Oh, that's the other thing I was going to do. I'm going to take somewhere. Oh, there it is. That Mr. Heater. I'm going to take it out that fireplace that I have, you know, which is pretty cool. But that fireplace, holy crap. Anyway, the fireplace that I have out there for, you know, sitting around, smoking your pipes, cigars, all that, having morning coffee. You know, that's what we like to spend all our time, or most of our time outside, even in the winter. And I'm going to take that old mug in there. That's an old Burns Brothers. Ain't even there no more. That's where Kitty's dad used to sit and have morning coffee. We used to go in there and have morning coffee with him years and years and years ago. Anyway, dude, I always get sidetracked, especially because there's junk out here, man. There's an old stainless press. What was I saying, dude? Oh, oh, that I'm changing out I'm going to take that propane fireplace because it takes up so much space. But I've got it comes out of the cook shack, and then I've got a tarp wall here, and then I put that hard wall in the back. And then I'm just ordered another canvas tarp. I'm actually going to put one over the front, and then you'll go out through the flap. But that dang fireplace is nice, but it takes up a lot of space, you know. And a lot of times there's 3 or 4 of us sitting in there. So I'm gonna put the Mr. Heater out there instead. And then with that canvas, once I canvas off that other wall, it'll actually be fairly warm there. Alright, so now look out, lady. We are going to take out some branches of this tree. Because I think I'm going to end up bringing a canvas or a tarp down off of this. And you'll be able to go through it, you know, kind of anchor it down just right above the ground. Give you kind of a teepee feel. Just for cover, because we had the snow come in from the north the other day, and it blew right in on all our chairs and everything. So I'm going to take a couple of these branches off with my new trusty SeeSii. Some of these are pretty big at all. What am I doing with these? Cut them in log size lengths. Get me a lighter for that one. Man, this saw is pretty dang nice. This thing is. Oh, you tightened up a bit. Need tightened up. Pretty amazing. This kitty wanted me to just take out the whole tree. She'd like me to extend this all the way over. So, may end up taking out the whole tree before it's over. You never know. I think right now, man, if I have a tarp come down to here, I don't think I'm going to take it all out. The thing that I think about on taking any of these trees out, the cottonwood, that cottonwood right there, the only reason that I leave that cottonwood, which is right there, the only reason I leave that is because of the shade and the, and the heat. And none of these trees, I planted, and the cottonwood was voluntary, but every tree, everything that you see growing right here or in this, it used to be open area, all the way to the tree line back there. I planted everything. And it's taken 12 years, 13 years for all this to grow up. Man, you can cut it down in a second, and I won't do that. Now I gotta clean this crap up. Tell you what, man. The SeeSii, I would say, outperforms and outlasts the little steel chainsaw that I got. I wouldn't give up my little steel because I love it, but I love this one more so far, man. Because I've finally have put it up to the test, which the steel is 9 volts, where this is 21 volts. So man, it outlasts for sure, obviously, because it's more battery, and dude, it just cuts the heck out of stuff, man. So this is the first real test. You know, I've been using it and stuff, but nothing like, you know, today. And I mean, that mother's she's ready to roll. Done with that. On to the next.